The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day as the market is suddenly falling. Good morning, Sid. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Back. Sorry. Excuse me. 1 second. Sorry. Then we'll look at the market. Okay, sorry about that.
So anyway, everything's kind of dumping. Let me see if there's all of a sudden some sort of news, and then we'll look at the markets. A little discombobulated as usual. No, I don't see anything. I don't know what's causing this dump. You see copper coming down, about 80 ticks in range. Gold, look at gold. All of a sudden, everything is dumped. 9 points of range. Ultra bond, about half a point, about 3/4. Crude oil dumping as well. It's unusual for crude and everything just to be dumping. Not a big range overnight though, about 70 ticks. Natural gas is happy though. And Bitcoin up to 47.3. So that's where we should stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Let's get the markets here. Figure out why they're falling. Well, the Dow's not falling. The Dow's all happy. And bounce. Nice bounce back up. So we got down to 907. By the way, we got about 900, back up to 916. High on NQ now, which is the all-time high, 939. ES got up to 5,027, which is also the all-time high. Market just keeps on flying. Can't fly if you're high, but doesn't seem to be the case. Gold's still dumping here. We're watching and waiting, ready to rock and rumble. Hey, Oskin, welcome. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, please let me know. Uh, welcome to the stream. Okay, what do I think about what? Well, I'm not sure what NA is. I have NQ or NG. Can you let me know which asset you're talking about? Yeah, probably make the most sense. Those keys are near each other. I think it definitely can. I mean, at this point, the market doesn't seem to have a top to it. If you asked me a month ago if I thought we were going to be banging 17.9 and getting close to 18,000, I would have said no. But nothing seems to put a damper on it. But all that said, I mean, I just try to play what I see and try and ride the roller coaster both up and down. I mean, this could still just be a pullback. Let's see, what news catalyst do we have today? Uh, so coming up here in a little over 20 minutes, we have U.S. CPI updated seasonal revisions. I don't remember seeing that before, as well as Canadian unemployment rate. That's our only news catalyst of the morning. So we'll see if that moves the market, that updated seasonal revisions, whatever. If those are numbers the market likes, you could see that being a catalyst to try and get us up to 18,000 even. That said, you would think there has to be a correction sometime soon. But what do I know? So far, just in 2024, AQ's already going up 887 points. How long have you been trading, Oscan? And how you doing with it so far? 6 months is just the first step of your trading journey. Interesting bounce on crude. Russell's trying to head up. And Q's still falling. Not afraid of falling. Are you using your own brokerage account, or are you trying to get funded with prop firms? Cool. Well, if you ever have any questions, we have a lot of knowledgeable traders in the community. Not a lot have made it in here yet this morning, but we have a lot of good traders that'll be happy to answer, if you have any questions or if there's anything that you're struggling with. I'm not a consistent trader yet myself. I'm working on that. Trading psychology gets me. Sorry if I coughed into anybody's ear there. I tried to mute and my mic got caught in my glasses. Oops. Yep, Sid's always willing to help. Sid is a long-term investor and trader. He's written books. Well, I could hold on a minute. I mean, his book is on investing, as well as real estate, but he does day trade as well and does very well. Mostly stocks, but he has trade futures as well. I'm here talking for him because I know talking is easier than typing. Let me see here. Where's my software? There it is. So these are his 3 books. I could have went to his website too. Your daily dose of noble real estate, and your noble guide to make money with alternative investments. The guy, yeah, there we go. Yeah, the guy's owned like 22 businesses, and it's just he's a millionaire, multi, I believe. I could have just brought up his website, but I just did a quick Google search. I got approved for Amazon Associates. I should link your books. Hi, Hassan. That does not sound like you're having a good Friday. Gold continues to drop. Yesterday's low, 2034. Yesterday? You get chopped up yesterday, or what happened, my friend? Good. Honestly, I think trading gets really does get in your blood. you don't want to, you want to, it's a constant challenge that you want to master. I think it's, more than just almost any other job or profession or career. It's just this constant thought. Yeah. Yes, it does. You say you're up for the day. Have you thought about just calling it a day and giving yourself almost 3 full days to mentally recharge? Well, can't get more honest than that. Okay, so remember, 10 minutes, we have news. Start spreading the news. I don't remember ever seeing this news on the thing before, but we'll have to see how it goes. Yeah, when I first started this, I kind of agreed, and now I'm like, you know what? I, 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 I mean, I do. It's not like I get away from it. I do a lot of charting on the weekends, but I like having the break. I remember when I first started, I was like, why? I need to find a way to trade crypto so I could still trade on the weekends. Rod, how are you? Good to see ya. Nice little reversal here a little bit. Got down to 907, back up to 915. Yeah, I was looking at some things last night. I'm like totally wishing I could automate my stuff, at least to a point. Although I would still need to leave my hands off of it. I did have a bot on an old strategy that was working until it didn't. But even when I'll see the bot take a trade, and I'll sit there and watch it and be in this trade, and I'm like, it's gonna pull back, and instead of letting the bot do its thing, I would cut the trade early. But yeah, beginning, I really, if I could get this automated, I would definitely give that a run, at least test it out. That said, I would still want to trade manually some. Problem with trading a bot on as a streamer or YouTube or whatever, we got a nice blue candle here, is if it ends up being successful, everyone's going to be asking about it, and I would not want to distribute it. I've seen what happened with Robert Anderson, and when he tried to do the bot, and I mean, I guess he still has the bot release, but from what I understand, it was a huge headache for him. We're long on 2 contracts off that blue candle. What did the Ultra Bond do at its open? Just kind of hemming and hawing there. It might come right back down on me. It's a small stop. 3.25. I don't mind sharing. Ouch. So that was a quick stop out. I don't mind sharing stuff, but I don't want to be responsible for the whole. Hey, this didn't work for me for some reason. You made me lose money. Blah blah blah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was part of his Trade Terminator server even before Blue Sky existed. I don't know. I never tried it. I mean, everyone seems to say about how good he does. I don't know. I've never been in his live streams to really check it out. I whipped down, came back up. I should have gave it a full 5 points there. I went with the bottom of the blue candle, but that was a small candle. Should have gave it the full 5 points. Yeah. Remember, we got some sort of news coming up. I don't know if it's going to move the markets. Mark Red on Financial Juice. Remember, speaking of Blue Sky, today is the last day of that flash sale, 50% off. Plus, you get a refund of your evaluation fee when you make it to the live brokerage account. So that's kind of like paying your first month's live data fees. Great company, Blue Sky. Can't go wrong with them. Link is in the video description below, as usual. That means I gotta update the sheet as soon as I wake up tomorrow morning. Maybe. I'm not sure about that. I know the way it was presented to me is that because you do the live sim first, they they transfer the live sim profits over to the live account, and then you can deduct the data fees out of that. But maybe something's changed that I'm not aware of. Just remember that'll give you a drawdown where if you don't take anything out, then you don't have a drawdown. Or are you on the static growth? I forgot. Okay, then yeah, then you're cool. Active trade, or I mean, where you need to trade once every 5 days. Not that I'm aware of. No, I don't think they do. I believe that's the only. I'm trying to think. I Off the top of my head, I think only Bulenox, Tick Tick, and Earn to Trade have those. But I would have to look to see if anyone else. But yeah, I'm pretty sure Blue Sky does not. Ooh, so I guess that news did cause some whippage. Never used the term whippage before. I just created it. Let's see if I can find news on it. Oh, One Up does. See, I know very little about One Up. Canadian unemployment rate 5.7. They expected 5.9. I don't see any news on this U.S. CPI updated seasonal revisions yet. Watching for it though. Bounced down and look at the recovery. Got from 912 down to 902, back up to 912, and now we're green. Yeah, there's no rule for that on Blue Sky. Oh wow, quick whip. Look at that. Market likes something that just happened. Let's see if the seasonal revision numbers just came out. I don't see them. Hard to believe this is all off Canadian unemployment. Wow. Boom. 32 points up. Wow. High of day. High of year. High of ever. ES up to 50.34. NQ up to 17.952. Yeah. So, yeah, Rod, I mean, the static growth account, if you don't mind trading micros to start, is wonderful with Blue Sky. Or the regular accounts. It is intraday drawdown, so if you don't mind intraday. Wow, look at gold. Boom, gold got everything back, up 5 points. The Ultra Bond new high a day. Look at that. Crude oil really didn't care. Yeah, it starts off with the 5 micros, but you know, it helps teach risk management, or even if it's not, even if the word's not teach it, it helps you adhere to risk management. So, I think it can be definitely a good if you have, you struggle with, there's people that struggle with sizing up too fast. So I think that's what that account is great for. Wow, look at this running. Yep, Blue Sky or Topstep, Rod, was who I would recommend at this point. Are we going to hit 18,000 now? We are only 35 points away. Okay, U.S. December CPI ex-food revised at plus 0.3. CPI revised to plus 0.2. So CPI was hotter than they reported, which is why the market's going up, thinking that no, I don't know why the market's going up. I think I don't know. This whole thing of positive news causes negative reactions and vice versa. Pulls back a little bit. You see on the 1 minute that could have taken that tried the quick short there. It should have. I think it's saying it's higher than they originally thought. It says U.S. December CPI unrevised. I missed that. U.S. December CPI revised at plus 0.2 was previous 0.3. Okay, I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know which way it's revised to. Ox be confused. So we did see a nice drop though. 57. We're back down to 38. It's about a 20-point drop. Yeah, I know everyone's expecting rate cuts. Maybe a bounce here. Still in the Blue Sky competition account, so I'm just kind of playing around here. Probably wouldn't have taken this long on a regular account. But the leader is already up 30 some $1,000 on this competition, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Get rid of the account, and then I'll focus back on Topstep starting next week. Yeah, this was a trap, I think. And I know better. Short, jumps back up quick, and then continues short. There's the stop. Oh, FYI, if anyone's trading on Apex, they have announced that some Tradovate accounts are going missing, and they are working on it. I think we went down there. I've noticed this pattern where it goes up, comes back down, and then it gives one big blue candle back up, and then comes right back down. And I've been trying not to fall for it, but I fell for it there. They just announced it on their Discord. They said to if you're affected by the issue, please send the help desk a ticket with the subject line and mention the account number. Subject line missing TDV account, then account number Apex, whatever your account number is missing. And that's all they need. Yep, see, I fell for that trap of that blue candle and I should not have. That was stupid. Someone should have yelled, it's a trap. There we go. I got a quick 5-point win to get some of it back. I lost 26 points. 46, no, 16 points. So down 11 points now. Should have went for 10 there. I only went for 5. See if it gets down to 24 or 23 half is where. Yeah, I should have stayed in longer on that. But yeah, falling quickly here. So we got up to 972. Wow, I didn't realize we got that close to 18,000. And that scared everybody. They started jumping off. Down by 50 points. Is that word a mixture of points and pounds? Down to the 20 EMA on the 5 and kind of bouncing there. Bounce out. What's your entry, Hassan? Okay. So it's nothing that's going to blow your count. So it looks like it wants to bounce on here. I thought it might break through that EMA. It doesn't seem to want to do that. Does not seem to want to do that. It was risky to take it off that EMA. And oh, whoa, man. What back down? Come on down. Yeah, you're welcome down here. Come on down. Come on. Hey, JC, how you doing? See, you're still surviving the grandkids. Yeah, don't ever take a purple candle into a EMA. Just doesn't work. Yeah. Indices are at all-time highs. NQ got close to 18,000. Ultra Bond got all wild and wacky earlier on the CPI revision news. Wow, gold hit a new high today. Pulled back. Crew just doesn't care. A little less than 45 minutes till the bell. Yeah. Next week's calendar is interesting. Usually CPI and PPI are on back-to-back days, but according to Financial Juice, CPI is on Tuesday. The PPI is not till Wednesday. I'm sorry, Friday. It's unusual. Not sure what's up with that. I'm down on the day, but I'm still in the Blue Sky contest account, so I'm taking some trades that I probably wouldn't take on a regular account that mattered more. Monday, I'll go back to Topstep's account, and with the goal of getting it funded by the end of the week. The Topstep 50K. Yeah, they haven't given one out since the 100th show. No, the Topsteps. It got back up to 940, now back down to 930. We're kind of choppy. Right, folks, we do have those Apex and Bulenox sales going on. 80% off Apex, 83% off Bulenox option 1. Should have some good volatility next week with the CPI, PPI, and other news events. So I want to pick yourself up at a count or 2 or 20. It's true. I have seen some big numbers on those blue sky competitions in the past, and all of a sudden they disappear. Yeah, I think it market wants 18,002, and I just don't know if it's. I don't know. We'll have to see. No more news catalysts this morning, unless something weird happens like global war or whatever. Markets lost some oomph. We're oomphless at the moment, guys. Oomphless. Going nowhere. Dow's falling fast though. ES falling. Interesting, AQ's sideways, but the other two are falling. Crude with a big old bounce there up right before its market opens here at the top of the hour, and the Ultra Bond's falling fast. Ain't afraid of falling. right. Do you think it's going to rebound up by a point or so, JC? Right now we got nothing. Nothing going on at all. Oh, there's a move down at the top of the hour. Plops down about 5 points. Nothing real exciting, but at least broke away from that 20 EMA. Everything's red right now. The last few at least the last couple candles. Crude oil popping up. Dow falling fast. Popping up a little bit off the band bounce. See where it wants to go. Down seems to be a direction right now. There's a little bounce, maybe. Yeah. Back up to 929, 930. Will we see 18,000 on NQ today? Our high was off that news candle was 972. ES got all the way up to 5043. I can already hear Ace now. How are we up this high? Coming and hauling around 925. Taking a short off that purple candle on the 1. It had broken through, but now it's trying to pop back up. I'm gonna give it its full 5 points here. Look at what the ATR was. 6. Another purple. Whoosh down to 920. Target is 919 half. There we go. Our target was hit. 5-point win. So we're heading closer to 900 now versus 18,000. Look at the Dow and the ES is running down. Dow hit 979 off that news candle, has dropped over 100 points. Crude oil booming up there. Almost back to the high of the overnight. It's 76.63. Yeah, there's a nice little blue candle on the Ultra Bond. Hey, Ace. I'm doing all right. How are you? Unseasonably warm day here for February. Doing a high of 64 today. All right. Keep an eye on that number from JC. Nice bounce here. Very nice bounce. Kind of bounces you're at home about. No, kidding, not that big of a bounce. It's up by 12 points since it's low. ES hit a high of 50.43 earlier. And Q 17.950. Pulls back a little bit there. We're about 16 minutes till the bell. Hopefully our price action will be a little bit better after the bell. That's what I would like. Got a lot I want to get done this weekend, both charting wise and channel stuff wise. Gonna work on starting to grow the channel. Grow the community is what I should say. Not the channel, the community. Fun fact, Ace's first trade was on dinosaur leather. Excuse my yawn. What were you doing to scare the trees? 15 minutes till the bell. Yep, his family hasn't gone hungry yet that I'm aware of. Wasn't your kid out there panhandling, was it, Ace? Pulling back just a tad again. Pulling back again. Going places that I never been. Crude oil going to the moon, new daily high there. I don't know about that, Ace. I mean, I'm not sure how many people would have kept moving their target fast enough to put their target all the way up to 50.43. Remember yesterday you were wondering how we were at 50.15. Pulling back tired. Sorry about the yawn. I usually mute before those. That's why I made the graphic. All right, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. So don't forget to vote on the poll. Who's going to win the Super Bowl? Hey, RJ, how you doing? You're hung over. I agree, Ace. Actually, there's question whether she's actually going to make it there. How does the golf club come in handy, RJ? But speaking of golf club, no John DeFore this morning. Oh, that's right. He did say he wasn't going to be here. That's right. He's driving 90 miles an hour to a business meeting. Bet you K-pop Fun Time is counting down the days until that new album drops. Then April 19th, I think it is. Got a purple candle pushing down here. Purple pusher. Candle. Now we're back. Okay, so not sure what happened there, but once again, my internet decided to be stupid. We're back. Hit your live buttons to get back to the live broadcast. I was just about to take that short too. I noticed the candle stopped moving. I am here, right, guys? Someone say hello. Okay, good. All right. 8:52. Do you think we're gonna hit 18,000 today, RJ? Do you think it's gonna bounce in the afternoon? Big drop here. So I could, if the internet had let me take that short, it would have worked. Yeah, altar bond coming down, 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 and a burning ring of whatever. Less than 5 minutes to go. Crude heading up to 77. Now you can see if the internet would have let me in, this short would have been beautiful. We dropped about 65 points from the high on NQ. The aces, everybody. So we're going to break 900 here. $30. Oh, we broke it before, right there. Ding, 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 ding. Sorry, I got distracted. Forgot the ding. Quick move down here. So give it back. Down about 15 points. And bouncing. And bouncing back up now. Got down to 890. Now let's say right on 900. Purple candle on the one. Bouncing back up. Back up to 896. Purple candle went away. Bouncing up. Little blue candle. And right back down. Right back down. As you can see, as RJ said, anytime it tries to come back up, it's pushing right back down. Yeah, push down. 886. Low in that candle there was 884. So RJ said overnight low 852. Another bounce try there as it got down to 875. ES down to 50.21. It's giving back about 22 points from its high. Have not heard Ace say he got his 2 points yet. Hey, Mr. G, how you doing? Excellent. Glad to hear that. Got anything fun planned for the weekend? Gold's been pushing down here as well. Gold's made a new low today. Weather's really warm up here today. So it went up to 64. And coming back down. Sorry, I was in the middle of sending somebody something. Down to 880. I haven't heard anything about any forest fires. Gee, just the flooding. It's a great question. Nice bounce here. Back up to 894. No other news catalyst today. It's all us. Pushing down. Hey, Tio, how's it going? Look at crude just running here. Look at that. Straight up. Doing good. Trying to rise back up. No, he's looking for a pullback, JC. Thinks it's going to pull back, come back up and then go back down the lows of the day. And I think you two are talking about two different assets. RJ's talking about NQ and JC asked about YM. Nice move up here. I missed this blue candle right here. This was a long night. Would have been a nice long. Probably a good idea there, G. Mad at myself for missing that one. There you go, JC. RJ's saying 737 on the Dow. How now, Brown Dow? So are back above 900. Oh, fuck. Pulling back a little bit there. Yeah, back up. Oh, yeah, I was gonna take that long there off that blue candle, and like first, right as that candle opened. I could have got a quick 5. So we opened on Q at 909, which is where we just got back up to. We got up to 910. Here's 911. So all the losses we've gotten since the bell have been made back up. Pulls back a bit. Yep, there we go. Another blue candle trying to form. Nope, goes away. Yep. Back down to 902. Touches 900 exactly. Dow really falling. There's RJ 737 on the Dow. Nice job, G. Can't break back through 900 yet. Another blue candle bounce. Swear you just can't kill this market. I think we could have a thermonuclear war and the NQ would still go up. There's 916. Hanging around that 20 EMA, trying to break through. It's a good movie. Have a great weekend, JC. We'll see you Monday. Shall we play a game? There's 920. Yep, nearing the top of the hour. A little bit of a pullback and then a blue candle maybe. Yeah, Dow's still hanging at your level there, RJ. Meanwhile, ES is all choppy. It really hasn't been doing anything, and the NQ is going up. Everything go okay on the bus today? Ooh, big blue candle. Big blue candle from Pasadena. Wow. There we go. That was a win. In at 931, out at 941. School today? Oh, Texas Instruments. Am I right, G? Texas Instruments? Teachers need to get their Super Bowl parties set up, huh? I had a Texas Instruments computer one time. It used cassette tapes for whatever you would consider the drive or the the like memory or like the same as a floppy drive or up to 950. Yep, I learned to code BASIC on that. It was fun. Tio's trying to make us all feel old. uh, wow. So we got up to back up to 951, dropped back down to 927. Nice job, G. Gotta excuse RJ, he's hungover. Still making better trades than we are. So I guess the question's back on the table. Will we hit 18,000 today? Pulling back down. They were a pretty big deal back in the day. Made good calculators too. No, you couldn't. I still think it's hard to believe that my first computer is less powerful than the phone I have. That's quite the parlay. That's a great week, Sid. One of the masters. If she says no, then he should release all the information about the new album. Pulling down. I was wondering what asset you were talking about there, G. I was kind of confused. Oh yeah, I didn't realize we were in the natural gas. Wow. Natural gas is going to soon be free. Wow, RJ. Wow. uh, so we've had good trades. We've had bad trades. It's been an interesting morning so far. Got a little less than an hour to go. Awesome job, G. Actually, Mr. G is always green. That's his actual last name. So even when he's red, he's green. And Q climbing back up. Coinbase is up big. Yeah, right now crypto's kind of running. BTC's back above 47,000. Oh, is GME finally dying? Well, I mean, the fact that it's still above, 14 still, I mean, everyone thought that company was going to go out of business a couple years ago. Somehow it continues to survive. Uh, no, I don't think so. Of course, I haven't personally owned a gaming console since PS1. Let's see, and that was before the turn of the century. The last time I've owned a gaming console. I used to be big into games back in the day. I had Atari 2600, and I had a Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Had a Super Nintendo. I got the PlayStation. That was about it. Favorite Atari games. I loved stuff from Activision back then. River Raid and Mega Mania and Enduro. They have Atari emulators that you can play on the computer now. I just want to get another screen and get back to RuneScape. Oh yeah, those are all good games. Yeah, right now, if market's lost a little bit of oomph here, thus our talk about video games. Looks like it wants to move down. RJ's still yelling about 852. No, I'm kidding. He said 852 is off the table. Right now, it kind of maybe everyone's going home early for Super Bowl Sunday. Oh, Dig Dug. I remember Dig Dug. I had the ET game that like totally flopped. That there's like a million copies buried in the desert now. Wow, big bounce up. Back up to 944. Have a great weekend, Mr. G. Come visit us on Monday. I think Mr. G and Ace are going to a bar together. Have a great day, a great weekend, Ace. We'll see you Monday. Everybody, enjoy your Super Bowl weekend. Still heading up. Are we going back to the highs? Hassan doesn't seem to be here anymore, but I wonder if he was still holding. By the way, there was no reason for me not to take this blue candle here on the 5. And there was no reason for me not to take this blue candle here on the 1. Wow, look at this. Okay, so the question's back on the table. Are we going to hit 18,000 today? Overnight high, 972. I thought it was 975. It's apparently 972. We're at 962. ES, though, I mean, NQ is the strong one. ES lagging. It's at 5028. It hit 5043 earlier. And the Dow is just not happy at all. Remember, folks, that blue sky sale ends tonight. $50 off, and you get your eval fee refunded when you get to the brokerage account. It's very red, Tio. I've been taking some trades on it that I shouldn't. And first place already is up to 32,000. So I'll be going back to focusing on Topstep on Monday with the goal of to get that funded by the end of next week. Kind of hanging here at 954. I've lost a little bit of oomph again after getting a little bit back. Took the long off that blue candle on the one. Looks like it's going to be a mistake, but we'll see. Yeah, it's coming right back down in this chop. It's our ATR. Only 8. Hey, JJR. How you doing? Go ahead with your question. That's a great question. Give me a sec. I I believe the answer is yes. Yes, yes, it does. As long as the account has been failed as of the close of market prior to the renewal to be eligible for free reset on renewal. So yes, it does. Looking for 971 as a target here. And maybe I should have looked for something less. Got up to 68. And it's 61. You're very welcome. Struggling to get above 68. So should I be patient or should I put my target there? That's the question. That is the deep, deep question. Patience was the answer. Got within 2 points of my target. Still a slow grind. We are up really high on the RSI. Really, really high. Danger zone high. Highway to the danger zone. There. Boom. Target hit. There we go. So at one point today on this Blue Sky competition account, I was down over 1,000 bucks. Now I'm only red by 270. So he shot up to 74, which was a new high a day, new high of year, new high of all time, and then quickly rejected back down by 10 points. So, RJ, did you think we were going to get an overnight high touch trade? Oh, that's right, you did. I forgot. I apologize. So I guess, yes, you did think we were going to get an overnight high touch trade. Excellent. Another blue candle there. I don't really want to take it this high up. It's probably going to burst up to 18,000 now. So 974.5 is the high. $976, continuing the grind. I could have taken that green can, that purple, I'm sorry, blue. I just threw out 3 different colors there. That blue candle on the one there for another 5, at least 5 points. Let's see where it goes. Is 18,000 in the cards? Wow, only 11 people voted in the Super Bowl poll. No football fans? Or only a few football fans? Pulls back a tad. There we go, 983, still heading up. Run, run, Rudolph. Oh, sorry. So all eyes on NQ to see if it can hit 18,000. ES is still lagging behind though. ES is down at 50.30. It got up to 43 earlier on the news candle. It's grinding slowly up. Dow still looking depressed. Crude oil had a big pullback. Gold's hanging out. Russell's hanging out. Ultra bond sideways. There's 86. We are 14 points away. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. It doesn't really matter. $93. Nope. So far, denied at 93. Back down to 83. So you scalped that JJR? Where did you get out at? I'm assuming you're out because you don't hold long. Pull back there. Excuse me. Purple candle. Again, that could have resulted in a 5-pointer. Yeah, it pulls back to 70, 75. Yeah. I'm just commentating at this point. I'm not trading. But that short would have been good. 84 down to 75. I could have got 5 off that purple candle. But seems like we lost a little bit of oomph here. May need to recharge a bit, as JJR said. Oh, why do you have nothing to trade right now, JR? Oh, that's why you were asking about the blown Apex account. I mean, I could point out that right now Apex is 80% off and Bulenox is 83% off. Gold, quick move down, and we're continuing down now on NQ. I was really hoping to see 18,000 before the end of the stream. Oh, awesome. Excellent. Congrats. And congrats on sticking to that amount and not continuing to trade. Good job. Up, here we go. Back up. Blue candle that I could have taken, but I'm not. Then decided not to. Will we get 18,000 on this run? Around for the money, a two for the show. Yep. Still denying us. Market's closed tomorrow. No, that's awesome. That is excellent, JJR. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Are you trading them individually or are you using a copier? Well, here we go again. Oh, something's keeping it down. It gets up to 993 on that candle, 991 on that candle, continues to pull back. Huge fight. Almost think part of me says that if it hits 18,000, it's either going to rock it up or it's going to rock it down. 15 minutes to go in the stream. There's 991 again. average continues to be about where it stops. Oh, there's 995. 96. Why am I so excited about this? 97. Huh? What about 450? Well, now I gotta tune into Topstep TV after I'm done here. Uh, well, that's eh, oh, I mean, that's there's no purpose being an affiliate then anymore. I'll be like 80 cents a sale. What about the higher tiers? I'll have to check on that. Casey, aren't you like the Casey from Topstep? Who would buy a reset if you can just buy a new eval for 450? I'm not sure that makes sense. It's like, well, no one ever buys an Apex reset. I've gotten commission on one Apex reset the entire time I've been an affiliate of Apex. I mean, even from a non-affiliate standpoint, I feel like if all that's true, I feel like the industry's kind of lost its way. We're no longer doing evals. We're just we pay $4.50 to YOLO. And I mean, yeah, Top Stuff has the consistency, so you can't do it all in one day. But we've kind of totally lost the whole definition of evaluation. Yeah, okay. I was that's what I was. Yeah, I know there is another Casey that I used to deal with Casey McIntosh when he was before he was COO. I know he's been in here too, and so it gets confusing. Seven minutes to go on the stream, waiting to see whether or not we can hit 18,000. Pulls back. Looks like it's gonna. Well, let's see. No, I think it's gonna deny. 90. 5 minutes to go here on the stream. Someone go in and like long 10,000 NQ contracts so we can get up to 18,000. Looks like Top Step will have a fire drill next Wednesday for Valentine's Day, February 14th. A big announcement of $4.50 Top Step X accounts. Sounds like it's going to be a one-time thing and not a all the time thing, if I'm understanding right, but we'll see. So rejecting down here, down to 985. It's going to deny me the 18,000 moment here on the stream. So tentatively close 997. Apparently Topstep X is getting released to the masses next week. That's why there's the 450. So down to 78. I was denied. And actually, I got so involved in that whole thing. This purple candle here was a trigger for me, and you can see it's dropped, 20. Bouncing. So we're wrapping up the week. Here we go. Top of the hour. Let's see if we get anything here. And then we'll cut out for the rest of the, for the weekend. I know, didn't get the boost I thought we might get at the top of the hour. Nope. So nothing. So, do want to thank everyone for joining me today and this week. Hope everyone has a great Super Bowl weekend. And we shall talk Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye.
If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading.
There it is, 18,000. 18,000. We just blew through it. So we got 18,000 and we got it on stream. Now have a great day and weekend, everybody. Bye.